Dirty dealings, corporate battles, consumer woes. This is Evening 5. The Selangor state government is mulling a second semiconductor integrated circuit or IC design park in Cyberjaya as the newly opened site in Puchong, the largest in Southeast Asia, reaches full capacity. This is to accommodate more IC design engineers. Spanning 60,000 square feet, the park in Puchong aims to position Malaysia as a potential powerhouse in the global IC design industry. It is now fully occupied with global semiconductor players, including anchor tenants MyStorage, Skychip, WeRock App Asia Chips Bank and Sensoram Tech. It is designed to house more than 400 IC design engineers. Selangor Information Technology and Digital Economy Corp or SIDEC CEO Yong Kai Ping said the newly opened park is offering fresh engineering graduates salaries matching those in Malaysia's close neighbours of Singapore and Vietnam. The state is offering engineers with undergraduate degrees salaries ranging from 5,000 to 6,000 ringgit, while master's degree holders can expect to earn 7,000 ringgit in a bid to secure the best talents for the local semiconductor industry. Yong told The Edge that Malaysia and Southeast Asia are lacking talent in IC design compared to China, Taiwan and South Korea, so the salaries must be up to par with Singapore's. Malaysian stocks rebounded today after a two-day precipitous decline that wiped out 153 billion ringgit in market capitalisation. The FBM KLCI opened with a gain of 0.4% at 1,542.14. By the end of today's trading session, the benchmark rose 2.5% to close at its intraday high of 1,574.39. Dutch Lady Milk Industries was the top gainer in the 30 stock index, climbing 7.2% to 30 ringgit 76 cent a piece. Malaysian Pacific Industries rose 4.1% to 34 ringgit 24. Fraser and Neve Holdings closed 4.2% higher at 30 ringgit 12. Kuala Lumpur Kepong settled 4.5% higher at 21 ringgit 42 cent, and Petronas Dagangan was up 4.4% at 18 ringgit. In the broader market, 1,083 stocks advanced, 309 retreated and 348 were unchanged. Bursa's daily trading volume stood at 6.4 billion shares, while trading value was at 7.97 billion ringgit. All of the sectors on Bursa were in the green. Apex Securities Research said in a note that while traders might find opportunities in fundamentally strong stocks for bargain hunting after the recent sell-down, investors should remain cautious during the turmoil. It said investors can gradually accumulate stocks that have dropped below their intrinsic value during this period of market volatility. Bersatu's Adam Radlan Adam Muhammad will know later this month the outcome of his letter of representation over the Jana Wibawa graft and money laundering charges. The prosecution told the Kuala Lumpur Sessions Court today it has been notified by the Attorney General's office that a decision on the letter will be made on August 28th. Sessions Court Judge Suzana Hussain then set September 4th as the next mentioned date to update the court. Usually, letters of representation are sent by lawyers seeking to reduce or withdraw the charges against the accused. Adam's 5 corruption charges are framed under the MACC Act 2009 and punishable by up to 20 years jail and a fine of not less than 5 times the amount of the bribe or 10,000 ringgit, whichever is higher, upon conviction. He also faces 7 money laundering charges under the Anti-Money Laundering, Anti-Terrorist Financing and Proceeds of Unlawful Activities Act 2001. If found guilty, he faces up to 15 years jail time and a fine of not less than 5 times the sum of the unlawful activity or 5 million ringgit, whichever is higher for each money laundering charge. Hartalega Holdings posted a year-on-year turnaround in the first quarter of FY24 with earnings of 31.9 million ringgit against the 52.5 million ringgit loss recorded previously. Profit before tax for the quarter under review rose to 41 million ringgit from a loss of 45 million ringgit. Revenue rose 33% to 584 million ringgit from 440 million ringgit. It proposed a dividend of 0.35 cent per share. The group credited a recovery in sales volume and increased average selling prices for the improved numbers. Asset profitability was further supported by lower operating costs, driven by improved production efficiency with higher capacity utilization. Hartalega CEO Kwan Mun Leong said the glove maker is encouraged by the gradual improvement in demand, supported by strategic capacity rationalization by key industry participants and depleting inventory stockpiles amid persisting headwinds, while its operational efficiency enhancement measures continue to yield positive results. Still, the group was affected by shipment delays amid ongoing global shipment constraints. Going forward, Hartalega will continue to strategically ramp up its production capacity while being mindful of market dynamics as demand for gloves rebound. Its shares rose 6.9% to 2 ringgit 65 cent, valuing it at 9.08 billion ringgit. Chin Hin Group is acquiring a 65% stake each in two companies for 51.51 million ringgit in a cash and share deal. In a statement, the builder said it is buying the stakes in CSS Engineering and Construction or CEC and Critical Systems Specialist CSS from two individuals, with total cash of 26.51 million ringgit and 7.91 million shares at 3 ringgit 16 cent apiece or 25 million ringgit. The consideration shares are valued at a premium of 4.98% to Chin Hin's shares in the market, which closed at 3 ringgit 1 cent. According to Chin Hin, the two companies are pioneers in engineering, procurement, construction and commissioning of data centres in Malaysia, with customers including Bank Negara, StarHub, Macquarie, DHL and NTT Communications. It said the sellers have provided an after-tax profit guarantee of 12.39 million to 3.5 million ringgit in FY 2023 and 8.89 million ringgit the following financial year. Group MD Chow Hao Chun said Chin Hin anticipates clear profit visibility, supported by 388 million ringgit in CSS's order book upon the completion of the transactions. Chin Hin shares closed 2.03% higher at 3 ringgit 1 cent, giving it a market capitalization of 11.03 billion ringgit.